Hi, my name is Prashant. I work for a company called Tata Projects Limited. It's a Tata Group company. We are into infrastructure business. That means we construct high-rise buildings. We construct many other infrastructure projects like metros or bridges or power plants. We are into varied types of infrastructure businesses. Tata Projects started COE journey, Center of Excellence journey, just about a year back. We started the Finance and Accounting Center of Excellence in Hyderabad, where the company is headquartered. And I was hired by Tata Projects Limited about a year back, to head the shared service center. So currently I'm, head of COE in Tata Projects. Our journey with Datamatics started, it in fact started just a little before I joined this company. So when I joined, Datamatics was already empaneled for automating our AP processes, accounts payable processes. So we get about 30,000 to 40,000 invoices per month, which are all very bulky, paper invoices with a lot of supporting documents and things like that. And those invoices need to be entered in our accounting software. We use Oracle. Oracle is our ERP, and we have about 100 odd people doing the accounting, data entry, basically the accounting of the invoices in ERP. We partnered with Datamatics with an hope, with an aspiration that we are going to digitize our invoice processing, the steps. So when we partnered with Datamatics, we had a very good discussion with them, and we kind of discussed our requirement, our needs threadbare. We put forth our requirement, expectations and everything, and surprisingly all of them were accommodated. They said that everything can be done using the platform that you are using today. It's called a TruCap Plus, basically an AP automation tool. We are using an ICR engine, Intelligent Character Recognition Engine, whereby all the invoices that we are receiving today are being digitized, and the information from the invoices, digital copies of the invoices are read by the system, and they're automatically fed into Oracle, that is our ERP, for accounting purpose. So our expectation was that apart from digitizing the invoice processing, we also wanted to have some meaningful MIS come from the system. As of today, on Oracle, we don't get any proper MIS as to how many invoices we processed, which business is sending most of the invoices, where the invoices are getting delayed, those kind of issues. So we wanted to have meaningful MIS also come from the system, for which we are looking up to Datamatics, to throw up such MISs. So we went live about 6 months back, and journey is still on, and we are really excited about Datamatics because the way we have partnered with them, any requests that we have put forth were immediately taken up on priority basis. They were discussed, they were understood very well by the team in Datamatics, and they were played back to us as a solution. That's what really exciting about it. On our side, we have increased the adoption rate of the system from 4% just about 4 or 5 months back to 30% last month, and we are excited that we are going to be using the tool 100% efficiency sometime very soon. So that's all that I have to talk about my experience working with Datamatics in this particular journey.